Mr. Sillies. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, beautiful people. How are we doing? It is Wednesday. I had a McMuffin for breakfast. How are we doing? Morena, everybody. Morena, morena. Why are we so choppy? What? Okay, are we good now? No, we're not. Why are we choppy? Oh, you know why? Because I forgot to plug the other end of the internet cord into the modem. That'll help. One moment. Not my greatest achievement. Hang on. Okay. I think the problem's been not fixed. Okay, hold up. Come on. Come on, internet. There we go. Now the internet cord's in. Now we wait. Okay, we're good, we're good. Okay, the internet is in now. Okay, we're good now. Yo, Hickbees, thank you very much for the tier 1 for 2 months. Gosh, sorry about that, guys. I was wondering why the net was so shiitake mushrooms and it's still a bit choppy. Do I have to restart the stream? Maybe. How's it on YouTube? Ah, it's hot, eh?
Snare drum 182 cheered decks.
Morena, master.
Okay, brother. Hope you're doing good. Much love to.
Hey, thank you, my bro. I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. Where did that go? Your audio isn't choppy at all. It's just the video. Yeah. I may have to restart the stream. Maybe I'll wait for this hype train to finish and then I'll do it. But how are you doing? How are you doing? All goods on kick? Oh. Is it all good now? Oh, it's still a bit choppy here. I'm just waving my hands to see if it cuts out. Everything looks good. Okay, I think I might carry on then. Thank you, Snare Drum, for the biddies, my bro. All is well. Sorry I wasn't live yesterday. My daughter had kabaka performance yesterday. So I went to go and support her. And now the only thing left for her really for the year is prize giving, which is next week. So yeah, school's almost out, chat. Summer. And keeping this to ourselves, my daughter, my eldest daughter, just got the Supreme Award for all the juniors within the school. Big fucking surprise to me, I'll tell you that much. So yeah, that's yeah, big surprise to me, I'll tell you that much. Simi, are you sure it's the right kid? Hey, kia ora taikoa. Yeah, so that's happening next week. She's receiving the Supreme Award for all the juniors within both sides of the school. I was like, true. And it's I guess what hits home more is it's named after one of my uncles. In his memory. So the way it works, so teachers will put a name forward, and my daughter's name got put forward, and everyone just said, "Yeah, we like that. She's been amazing." Yeah, Chris. No. I was like, "Hey, are you sure?" Ran across one of your videos on Facebook. Man, people still use Facebook? Jerry, brother. I used to use Facebook a long time ago, but just too many, like, Karens on there, brother. How are you, though? Give her a big hug. Thank you, guys. Yeah, honestly, she's doing way better than I ever did in primary school anyway. You know, just keeping it to myself and obviously telling you guys. But she doesn't know. She doesn't know till prize giving happens next week. Yo, Bearded Cactus Jack, my brother. Thank you for the 8 months, my bro. Tell her how proud we are. I will, my bro. I will. So I don't know what day prize giving is next week. So there is going to be a day when I won't be streaming chat, as you all know why. But yeah, because my in-laws were all here last night. My mum too. We went to go watch her do her kabaka performance. And we just got told that day, or that night, that she'll be receiving that award. So I was like, damn. And she's getting the... So she's getting that one and the... What is it? The pillar of the cultural side of things within the education system. Proud Dad, 2 girls here. Cheer, King Royal. Yeah, bro. And our other girl starts primary school next year. So she turned 5 in November, but we was just saying, oh, it's a waste of time her going into school when the year is almost done. So we're gonna hold off till next year. She had her meeting with her teacher, and she was pretty happy. Like, she was running around like an absolute idiot. She has the attention span of a bloody pigeon. She just loves to play sports and everything. So she was running around while we had the meeting, and you know, speaking Maori to her in English, and the teacher just said, I'm all good, she's all good. She can understand in both languages, so she'll be sweet. And I was like, oh, me? Start middle school and high school next year. Damn, my bro. What's up, Manishka? Okay. King Royal and Bearded Cactus Jack, thank you very much once again for the back-to-back Optimus Primes. And I will tell her next week. So today's going to be a bit of a slow day. I know. We still have to draw the design on. So I've been cooking in my brain, and I think I've figured out what kind of design I'm going to do. So I think for today, we'll do the square side today. So we'll draw it up. And who knows, we might cut it out too. Zoe Furnix, thank you very much for the raid as well. So that's all we've been up to, chat. It's all molded, all said and done. Obviously, I still need to work on the mouth in there though, but you know, that'll only take a mere moment. Eldest turned 18 last year, took me a while. Bro, how was it through the teens, my bro? Any advice? Because I'm scared for those moments when they turn up. I know when I was a teenager, you know, I was sneaking out at night. Sneaky links. Jumping through the window to see said sneaky link. Didn't really go to much parties though. Yeah, only a little bit. But yeah, bro. Yes, it was one of those, my bro. Hey, what's up, Beast? I'm good, brother. I am good. How are you? So this is the side we're going to draw up today. And if we've got time, we'll do it too. You mean party, stay home with the family and the pets? Yeah, bro, I remember going to house parties back in the day, bro. Those were something else. But I look back on it now and I'm like, damn, those were cringe as hell. So yeah, that's our plan for today. Is we have to figure out how we're gonna fit the designs. I'm sure you got all the girls. Not really, because I didn't know how to talk to them all the time. On TikTok. Hey, welcome through, brother. I don't think I'll be live on TikTok today. Why? I forgot to charge my phone. So we're going to be doing a bit of drawing today. A bit of drawing. And then we can figure out how we're going to carve it.
Snare drum 182 cheered X5.
Thank you, brother. Who taught you how to carve and do the tribal stuff? My uncle. So within our culture, you know, with Whakairo, it's always been immersed or like entrenched within our culture because it was a way of passing down our knowledge and storytelling for us too. We didn't have a written language like Whakairo, haka. So you might know the Maori posture war dance. We have many other songs within our culture too. It's not just the haka. Many others. And so, with that, okay, many different forms in sharing our stories too. Thank you very much, Graves Satsuma. I hope I said your name right, brother. Thank you for the Optimus Prime. See, I'm just trying to figure out how. And okay, let me ask you guys: shall we just design one side of the arm and keep the other side blank, or do a different? Oh, I might actually. This is what I'll do. I changed my mind again. We'll design one side of the arm, and then we'll do a singular row of another design in the blank side. Okay, just to have a little bit of contrast going on there. So that'll be the plan there. So I need to figure out how I'm going to do this flow. And one thing I want to make sure is that we keep our spacing. Spacing is key here. You don't want it to be too big on one side and then bigger on the other side, you know? Is it like a mythological creature? So the tiki actually comes from... So the form itself is inspired by that of a newborn baby, brother. You know, with a newborn, it can't really move its head. It's not really up straight like how we are like right now. They normally have their head to the side. So normally with the heads, it's tilted on the angle, not straight up and down like this either. Hey, what's up, little leggies? Whoa, thank you very much for the huge raid. Kia ora. Hope you had a wonderful stream. Hope you're blessed as well and looking after yourself. Kia ora, my name is Brooks. This is very on brand for me to say and very PG like. I touch wood in the morning. I hope you're well and looking after yourself too, and welcome through to your community too. We are just cooking on a design right now for this side of this tiki here. So as I mentioned before, this is a tiki, T-I-K-I, and the form, where the form is from, is inspired by that of a newborn child. So the tiki represents, you know, being a mother as well. It represents fertility. Sometimes with our tiki too, we name them after our ancestors. So within Whakairo, majority of the time, we carve our ancestors who are obviously, you know, not around anymore, pretty much. And that's how it's always been. And so, in traditional times too, like in the old days, our wahine or our ladies never really carved at all because they are the polar opposite to what we do within Whakairo. Um, in our culture, women are very sacred to us. Why? Because they're the ones that carry the tribe on. They bring life into the world, and with Whakairo as a whole, we carved those that are well and truly passed on. So you can see why our wahine never really carved back in the day too, because we never really liked to mix the two. Nothing better than seeing your kids do good at school. Yeah, brother, it's a very good feeling. I had my worries because I'm not smart. I'm a smart ass, but I'm not smart. In all aspects of school knowledge these days. So yeah, I know my history. That's about it. That was the class history and Maori. So I was acing like senior level history in Maori back when I got into high school. But yeah, man, I always get scared when homework comes back. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, so in a sense, yeah, wahine didn't really carve back in the day. But in this day and age, with, modernization, there are wahine out there that do carve. As we all move into a more modern society, in the words of Garrosh Hellscream, times change. And so we're all learning to adapt and continue moving forward together. Like with my daughters too, they know every single design within Whakairo. But there's a point where I won't allow them to be around the carvings that I do. For example, if I get asked, say by one of my old teachers, I need you to carve one of our ancestors for us. And I'll say yes. So it's around that point where I have to, put on my traditional protocols hat and tell my daughters you can't be around dad while dad's doing this. More so in a sense to protect them. Because, protect them I must always. And just make sure that they're safe. It's just, for me personally. So, am I still choppy? Oh my gosh, we're choppy as. Chopped harder than T-Pain's song. Which is a good song, by the way. Yo, Zixie! What's up, my brother? I don't have to scurry off and take care of... I do have... okay. No. Look after your fur babies. Thank you very much for the aroha. I appreciate you. And I'll see you later, leggies. I'm from Hawaii and I want to say I love your work. It's comforting as I live on the mainland for now. Hey, what's up, my brother? Taku kanaka maoli. What's up, my brother? All good. I've been trying to learn a little bit about your culture too, my brother. I love all cultures within Polynesia, brother, so I'm trying to use, my time and learn as well about the others. And I love it, my bro. I love it. Can you see what I'm up to? Brother Zigzay, how you been, my brother? Hope you're looking after yourself, my bro. Good to see you once again. Thank you for the 49 months, my bro. How you been, brother? You will bring some tunes in soon, chat. I just forgot to charge everything up. It's been a busy couple hours. Starting from yesterday. We're just kind of cooking with the design right now. Same old, same old. Yeah, I feel you, my brother. I feel you. How close is their language to ours? Kanaka Maori, very similar. But you know, some of the words that they have, you know, are different meanings. Like kupuna is like their nan koro. Na koeke. Feel free to step in and correct me if I'm wrong too, my brother. I do not mind. I'm still learning. One of the bros I've been learning from, he's a tattooist in Hawaii. And I told him if I'm ever there, I'd like to get some mahi done by him. But yeah, my wanting to learn all sparked up because of Chief of War, just because, you know, how amazing it is to see, like, the culture from their side being told. Which island is he on? I'm on the North Island of Aotearoa, New Zealand. I don't live in Hawaii. Like to visit one day though, hopefully. Maybe? Question mark? We will see, my brother. We will see. John Pedro Miguel, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime for 4 months, my friend. How you there, label model? Kia ora, brother. Hope everyone on YouTube is doing well too. This is going to be a bit of an interesting one, chat, for what I'm going to try and attempt. So, as you all know, I am going to be trying something a fair bit different, but trying to stick to traditional. This is going to be annoying to design with all the twists and the sharp turns. Very much so. But yeah, we'll do this. And then I think within the inside of this, I want to try and just do something relatively simple in here, but not, you know, too much. Maybe just a singular row. I've been watching this guy on TikTok too. He's from Japan. He's been traveling Aotearoa, and he started from right at the top, and I think he's going all the way down to the bottom. It's been pretty cool watching his journey. Watching his hikwe. It's bloody amazing what some people get up to, eh? I'm just going to start well off. And I need to put my center line in. So yeah, this is going to be a bit of a challenging one for me, chat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just off the arm. Hello there, home doll. It's crazy those shoes he's wearing. Yeah, bro. Like, they look traditional, eh? They're like those traditional shoes. But they seem to be holding up pretty well, eh? His shoes he's wearing. Is there reparation for Maori people there? What does that mean? Sorry, I don't know too much big words, eh? Sorry, brother. Bert 2, 711, the Spartan. It is a very cool number indeed. Good old Chief. I still haven't watched the show. Is it any good? Has anyone actually seen that bloody Halo show? I was gonna watch it, but then I saw that Chief takes his mask off or his helmet, and I'm like, that's not Chief, he don't do that. Just a quick hello, much love to you, and a very quick hello and much love to you too. Alright, I gotta run. Mahalo, have a good stream. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. I see you around, eh? Okay. Just sub for the first time. Hey, thank you, brother Berto. They're going. This is for taking the land. Oh fuck, they do not want to do that at all, brother. Current government's a bit of a fuck you. We're taking everything kind of thing. We're flushing yous out, your language and everything. Our government ain't gonna say sorry for anything, brother. That's just the reality of it. They do not give two fucks about it. Nah, you're good, bro. No need to say sorry. It's just, yeah. Halo shows a disgrace. Really? Yeah, as soon as I saw he showed his face, bro, I'm like, yeah, nah, that's not Chief at all. That kind of just, yeah, ruined my want to even watch it. So I didn't end up watching it anyway. Yeah, it kind of took away his, I don't know, for me, like when it comes to Chief, when you take his helmet off, bro, you take off his rep and show his face. Like, that's always been his characteristic. He's never shown his face. And then when you take away the main thing, like, well, guess I'll just, I don't know where I was going with that, but yeah, I was highly disappointed. As a fan of Halo 1 and 2 and Reach. I loved all the Halos, by the way. But yeah, Halo 1 and 2 and Reach were the ones I played the most. Here we go. Fuck, we're still choppy as hell, eh? Man, I don't really want to restart stream because we're already like quite deep into it, eh? Wait, he takes his helmet off on the first episode? What? What? That's so dumb, bro. That is... Oh. Yeah, I'm never watching that show, man. I'm sorry. We is not watching that show at all. Why would you do that? Pablo Patel, thank you very much for the tier 1 for 4 months, my brother. Kia ora, brother. Greetings from Argentina. Hola. Hola, my brother. What's the time in Argentina? Jeez, it must be late, eh?
Happy holidays, bro. Hope life is treating you well.
Hey, Hercules, my brother. Happy holidays, my friend. Almost for us. Still got a, couple more weeks of school for my little ones. But all is well here, my bro. I know some of you are going into Thanksgiving. That's like the food before the actual food celebration, eh? I don't know too much about Thanksgiving myself. But once again, brother, thank you very much for the 5 months. I used to live in New Zealand. I love your country. Where did you live, my bro? Where did you live? Bro, currently right now in Rotorua. Oh, brother. The smell. And it's not the smell from the sulfur either. So there was a big storm. And along the lakefront where we normally take the kids. So a big storm has brought up a lot of these lake weeds. And bro, the smell is like damp horse shit, bro. It is nasty. It is fucking nasty. And it just so happens to be at, one of the good playgrounds in the city. And I think, council's trying to get on top of it. Well, I hope they are. But holy shit, bro. Hey, thank you, bot account. How are you, my brother? Hope you're looking after yourself there, legend. Gotta go and see my cousin today. He wants to edit my footage from the honeymoon. Oh, your art is amazing. Oh, here you go. Here you go. Have a jack. Hello, Apuka. Doing good? Oh, that's good, brother bot. Been in Tauranga, truth. Damn, you lived in the mountain, my bro. What a flash, fella. You the man, you the man. I wonder, where you at? I live in Rotorua, so I live in a place that smells like rotten eggs due to all the sulfur. I wish there's more people like you in the world. There probably are. But, for me, man, like when it comes to life, I don't really, being a streamer, one thing I don't really give two shits about is trying to farm drama, my bro. I know it gets, the clicks and everything, but I'd rather just people engage with stuff that I enjoy doing. I don't really enjoy looking for drama and all that. Oh, you've been to Rotorua too? Bro, I need to fix up the filtering system on my account, eh? Yeah, bro, so I live in Rotorua. What Rotorua is also well known for is Maori tourism as well. So that's what we're known for. And I used to work in Maori tourism for about 9 years. Then eventually I got accepted into the carving school here. And just to one thing I wanted to do, and it was all in the pursuit of knowledge, basically upskilling is what I was really after, in order to help progress my skills within the world of Whakairo. There was always end game for me, if that makes sense. Always. But within Maori tourism, the things I did for the last 9 years was I did cultural shows. So, hello. What you up to? Oh, you want to see me?
Yeah.
You know how you can see me? Twitch.tv/Brox_ on the Twitch app on the TV. No, don't go in the camera. You know I don't like you on the camera.
Why?
To keep you safe. But you can say hello to everyone.
Hello. They're not even seeing me.
Oh, it takes a while to type. Me tatari koe. So see, look, someone said, happy to see you continue do your craft. Would you ever be a tutor? Probably later in life. Hey, keep your pig trotters out of my camera.
Hello.
Yeah, keep your pig trotters out of my camera.
Hello.
Get out of there.
Nah. This is
This is the one that don't listen. Yeah, Donny Thornberry.
You done so berry.
That's you,
Nah.
of course.
Nah.
Yeah. Don't stand on the setup, please.
Nah, that's bum.
If you're not gonna be cute and entice people to sub, go away. No. Oh, that was a piss poor effort. Hey, don't yell at it.
Fine.
Pass my pencil, I need that. Yeah, what'd you drop it for? Haere ki o toi te whare i nai nei.
No.
Go say bye to everyone. Goodbye.
Yeah, boy. I'm going to the hotel without my dad. Nah.
Bro, we're at home. Get off that. Yeah. You're a dummy. You're a bigger dummy. You took too long. L reply. You're dumb. You're dumbass. Yeah, that's the middle child. What is your craft, may I ask? So I do Whakairo, my brother. Whakairo is a traditional Maori wood carving. And at the moment, yeah, we just kind of drawing up the design before I was interrupted by that little shiitake. But yeah, that's her, man. It's she's the one that does jiu-jitsu. Man, she grew up quick, time flies. Oh, she's a little shit, bro. But yeah, she absolutely loves jiu-jitsu. She learned how to do arm bars last week, and now she won't stop doing them. She's like, Dad, I need to practice my arm bar. Like, Dad, I need to practice my arm bar some more. So yeah, she's become real confident due to jiu-jitsu as well, which I'm very appreciative of. Main reason why she just loves combat. She loves physical sports, eh? That's what I'm trying to get my big girl into, just to build her confidence up too. Main reason why I got my girls into combat sport is just to, when they get old, eh? So they can defend themselves. Because in this day and age, when someone's getting beat up, they don't help, they pull the cameras out. And that's the one thing I don't want to see, bro, because I will see red if I see my daughters on the receiving end of that kind of behaviour. So I'd rather them, know how to defend themselves. I've taught them that one should only hit if they get hit first. That's what I've been trying to teach them. Oh, I'm getting water on the carving, so yeah. Because they asked me, Dad, have you been like gang bashed? I was like, yeah, heaps of times. But luckily no one used to pull phones out back then. Good discipline though. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's always that was the first thing I taught them, eh? Was never throw the first punch. If you can walk away, walk away. But if they engage on you, then I'm not gonna be mad at you for defending yourself. Because when my girl, the one that was just on the stream, this boy was bullying her. And, well, one day he tried to, tried to bully her, and then she pinned him on the ground. And just held him down, and he couldn't move. And then I had to go in for a meeting. Oh, your daughter has... Your daughter has hit one of the students. See me, which one? See me, the boy. See me, show me the footage. Because they got security cameras around the kohanga. And it says, show me the footage, because the other parent was there too. And then it shows the boy hitting my daughter first, and I went, so I'm here, why? And I just, I just told them, so why am I here? I see my daughter defending herself. And then he just apologised and said I could go. And then I gave her the top tier high five in McDonald's after I saw that. It's like, yeah, well done, baby. So yeah. Okay, so that's one side done. Yeah, she's very my daughter's very headstrong, eh? For a child that is very wild. But yeah, didn't even choke him out, didn't do one hit, she just pinned him down and just held him down until he stopped. I was like, good. Yeah, so she's got a pretty good guard. Harry here. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Thank you, Harry. There's a jiu-jitsu competition coming up in Jan, and she wants to jump in, but I might surprise her and jump in as well. Because my uncle hit me up last night saying, want to give it a go? Said, oh, been a while, but yeah, okay. Just try and, just show my daughter that, Dad can do it too. Monkey see, monkey do kind of thing. So that's the best way to teach her is by doing it. She's a bit of a eyes-on, hands-on kind of kid. Much like myself when I was younger. Very much so. Okay, let me grab this chisel. Yo, Zach Z, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. I just saw your video when you went viral during the pandemic. Hey, harass your mum. Alright. How you doing, brother? Yours, and people let me know about your stream. Oh, welcome through, Harry. I appreciate that, brother. Welcome the actual F. Wait, what happened? What rank are you? I'm still white belt, bro. Or whatever the starting one was. I just did it for fitness. I didn't really do it to compete. But because my uncle hit me up, I was like, oh, alright then. What are we up to? But if it inspires my daughter, brother, then yeah, I'll do it. Alrighty, this is gonna take us a while, this design, Chatty Lala. How do you come up with the design? So, all the designs that I do within Whakairo, my brother, have all been passed down, my bro. Not so much this one. This is just more modern swing, I guess, on a traditional design. Just trying something different out and just seeing if it works. If it looks ugly, then we shave it off. We shave it off and we redraw, my brother. What kind of wood is this? So this timber is called rata. R-A-T-A. It's exactly the same as this one here. My mallet. The only difference with the colour is because I've used this for so many years. You know, all the banging and whatnot. What's the design called? So I'm doing a design called Taratara Akai, but you know, with a more modern-like flow, if that makes sense. So that's what I was like, if I don't like the look of it, we're shaving this arm down. Yeah, if it looks ugly, chat, it's getting shaved down. Yeah, so take thy time. And we'll see what it looks like. Oh yeah, I've never actually done a flow like this. I normally just keep it tradish. So this is probably my second time of kind of going out the box a little bit. Bro, do you know something about the Treaty of Waitangi? It's kind of like our, what is it? What's that important paper in America? I forget the name of it. Oh, it's because I'm not from America, that's why. Still thinking about keeping the tiki? Yeah, bro, I am, eh? Genuinely. Yeah, that founding document thingy. So it's similar to that. And, well, there's a Maori version and an English one. However, within the Maori one, it said, you know, we don't cede our sovereignty of the land, and we are the kaitiakis, willing to live, coexist with, you know, the future ops nowadays. And unfortunately, the English one said otherwise, you know, they fully hand over all rights to the land and everything. Fully handing everything over. So yeah, there's moments within our history too where, for example, you know, with like all the land wars that happened. And then there were moments like on the 5th of November, Parihaka, where a lot of our people were slaughtered, including the women and children, and the likes of my ancestor too, Ruakenana, and his sons. They built a community up in Maunga Pohatu, and they were raided by police because Te Koti was up there passing through while police were in pursuit of him. And then what else is there? And then there was the moment where our forefathers went to, you know, World War One or the Boer War, and then they come home and all their lands were stolen. There's those moments too, brother. It's like Korobom Gillies. He was the last surviving member of the Maori battalion who was still alive. He only passed away last year. He was saying, if I had known this would be the outcome after fighting for this country, I would have never left. And yeah, that's from an actual veteran. Yeah, he said, was the war, like he was asked, was the war worth it? And he said, no, it wasn't. So yeah, it's very, very unfortunate. And we're still fighting that same fight today. Never knew the history and then runs deep. Oh yeah, bro, deep as, my bro. That's why I never celebrate Guy Fawkes, brother. I let my children know about the events of Parihaka. Like, they're aware of it. Told them the history with our people too, against, you know, the government and the crown, because they don't want schools to teach that, eh? So I just make sure, you know, my kids know the history. Like, at the same time, what was I gonna say? I was gonna say something else. Can't remember what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, so there was an act of parliament that was passed as well around the time after many years after the Battle of Ōrākau. There's a movie based on it too on Prime if you want to check it out, called Ka Whawhai Tonu. We will fight on is the translation. So there was an act that was passed called the Tohunga Suppression Act, and you know, from the keyword you can probably pick up what I'm putting down. So basically everything within our, so that bill got passed, and basically everything within our culture became outlawed, but because our people, you know, are a fuck around and find out kind of people, the likes of Sir Apirana Ngata, who was a Maori politician, fought for our rights and our culture. Like, we have it here today. So that I was told this back in my first class in carving too, from my uncle. So he taught us about the history of where Whakairo comes from, the history of our people, And this is another reason why I do it online too, is just to inspire rangatahi Maori that, you know, everything our ancestors have left behind for us are here to this day because of them. And we live a very, very privileged life compared to them back in the day. So the best thing we can do is honour their sacrifices and keep it alive. Oh, that's the way I see it anyway. Thank you, Humpsu. Is Maori the name of all NZ natives? Are there multiple tribes? Yeah, brother. So we actually went by our tribe names for our nationality, or you call it a nationality these days. So I'd normally say, like in the forms, I'll put down for nationality Tūhoi Te Arawa instead of, you know, Maori. My grandfather always said, hey, I want you to acknowledge yourself from your tribe, my boy. Because he was brought up in that era. Like to the point where, even in my grandmother's time, when she was young, so they only knew how to speak Maori, majority of their life. And then they got sent to another school, and if you didn't speak English, you were caned in front of the whole school, and that happened to my nan too. It's like, oh, fuck that. Because my grandmother goes, what would you have done? She grabbed that cane and stick it in his ass. She goes, yeah, well, we didn't know to do that. Hello, bro. I popped in the other day. Just want to say that you're a big impact back then. I heard my father speak Maori for the first time in 25 years. Gee. Ngā mihi to your papa, my bro. What's up, Frank the man? I've heard that we should use our hapu over iwi because iwi is a group and hapu. Yeah, that makes sense too. Like for me, where I grew up, so the main two tribes that I was raised in is Tūhoi and Te Arawa. So I only ever acknowledge those two, right? Like I don't say, oh, I'm from up here and I'm from up here. You know how some people these days say, I'm quarter this, I'm quarter that, and I'm half this, I'm half that. I was like, geez, how many dads you got? Similar to that, I just say the two that raised me and that's it. Like the two tribes that raised me. Like one of my ancestors, chat, his name's Tūhoi. I've mentioned this individual a few times, and what our tribe is known for, Ngai Tūhoi, so our tribe is named after him as well, was warfare. Hold on.
Brock's shake.
Who was that? Yo, thank you, Sicarius. Oi, 1 year. Happy G Day, my brother. Let me just get a water, chat. Thank you very much, my brother. So yeah, my ancestor Tūhoi, he was renowned, him and his two older brothers. So He was the youngest out of the three. His name is Tūhoi, the middle brother. His name is Tāne Moiahi. And then Ueimua was the oldest out of all of them. So, one day the two younger ones went to war against the eldest brother, eh? And so, long story short, in those days when you wanted to make a big statement, you'd, consume them. And that wasn't making a big statement back in those days. And when the battle was over, the older brother lost. And so what Tūhoi did, he stood over his older brother in front of all his followers, and basically he clapped him. And then what solidified him as the most renowned out of the three, okay? So he took his patu, or his shorthand club, and he sunk it into the chest of his brother, cracked it open, and he took his heart out, and he ate it in front of all his followers, all his tribe. So Tūhoi did that to his older brother's heart. And the way he's depicted through Whakairo is with his older brother's heart too. So it shows Tūhoi with within a particular tribal style, our own, with these two sticks, and on the end of those sticks are his brother's heart. And that's how he became one of the most renowned ancestors that I'm tied to, by doing that big statement. Would I do that? Hell no. Maybe in a zombie apocalypse, maybe, but yeah, nah. I'm good. But yeah, genuinely, when it comes to Whakairo too, the way ancestors are also depicted are by the things they do within their lives as well. And that was Tūhoi's one. And then, with all of Tūhoi's descendants, we were known as, a tribe that loves war kind of thing. And then there was a whakatauki that came about that ties to the tribe I'm from too, which goes, Ko tahi nā Tūhoi, ka kata te pō. When, so translated, when Tūhoi gathers for war, yes.
Riley just my squishy bag, she didn't ask me because she just got up and she didn't ask me.
So she grabbed your squishy brain
Yeah,
without asking you,
yeah, she just took it
and you didn't want to grab it back?
No, I just play with my
So you were playing with something else while your sister grabbed your brain that you didn't want,
No,
and now you want it because she's got it.
no, I just want. She didn't ask me to have it because she didn't ask me have the. She didn't ask that to me
Bit of
to
leg?
have the squishy.
So basically what you're wanting is for her to ask you to use your squishy brain that you weren't playing with because you were playing with slime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna play with her when I was finished.
So you were going to play with it when you were finished with your slime. How is your sister going to know that you want to play with the squishy brain anyway? When you didn't tell her. So it's your brain, your squishy brain, so she shouldn't touch it. Oh. Oh, okay. You know what you should have done? Went to bloody school. I'm dumb. What's 20 plus 20? Yeah, 40. What's 1 plus 1? No, window. Take the 1 and the 1, put the plus sign in the middle and the equals on top and the bottom, it equals a window.
2. See, 1 plus 1 is 2.
I was going for the artistical answer. Oh, be careful, Gumbo. Don't touch the cord, you might freeze the camera. Are you just here to annoy us?
Yeah.
Oh, fair enough. Don't touch the cord, you're gonna freeze the camera. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, me.
Don't try to do that.
Don't, man.
Yeah, you're a man.
So, what's the plan now? Come and annoy me.
No.
You sure?
No, I'm not Riley.
We'll go and ignore her then.
No, you.
So, you want to ignore your sister, but you want to come and ignore me?
No, I just want you to annoy Riley.
Nah, I don't want to annoy you.
Oh, you're dumb.
You're dumb.
You're
Dumb. Get out the camera. I don't want you in the camera. Get. Ah!
Hello.
If you ain't getting gifted, bro, you ain't worth being in the camera. You ain't getting gifted, my bro. You ain't worth the time. You ain't worth the time, my bro.
Hello.
No cooler today? Nah, just wagging.
Hello.
Hello. Go 20 ball.
20 balls. They got me.
What's your favorite animal?
Cheetah.
Cheetah. You don't even know what a cheetah looks like.
Yes,
What?
it looks like my tattoos.
Oh, true. Nah, that's a jaguar.
Cheetah
Stand up there. It's cold. Bro, can you piss off out? I'm trying to get work done for my peeps.
I do it for your subscribers.
Yeah.
Oh, you're dumb. Nah.
Don't say that. Say, Mr. Suave, thank you for the prime.
Mr. Suarez, thank you for the phone, but I don't know what is my dad saying.
Oh, it's alright. They understand. And go, Roachia.
Oh, yeah, because I can see the video game on.
I'm carving. There's no game. Careful, blockhead.
And also, look.
Yeah, I'm on YouTube on there. Watch out for the cords, man.
Watch out for the comment.
Bro,
Watch out for the comment.
do you want to go for a run today?
You want to go for a ride today?
Alright, we're going for a run after stream. Yeah. Yeah. Go, Rockler, thank you for the prime.
Rockler, thank you for the prime.
Well, can't you just say it? No, bro, your big head is moving the camera.
Your biggest is moving the camera.
Bloody ball in the china shop.
Bloody balls in the shop.
Get out. No, not on the camera. No. Yeah. Can't see you anymore. Samoan Spike. Leave the camera alone. Get out of here.
You guys can hear me, yay.
You gotta talk to the mic over there, not the camera, you bonehead.
You guys can hear me, yay. Yeah, are you?
Do you
say ha ha ha?
to talk through to the mic?
You know Mr. Beast? Ha ha ha, you don't know ha ha ha.
They do know who, everyone knows who Mr. Beast is, man. Oh yeah, hey, apparently I'm on a Mr. Beast video. Have you seen it? You watch it more than me.
You see the subscriber, duh.
You didn't understand the question I said, duh. Ah! Get out. I don't want you on the camera.
Ah, nah.
She sounds like she knows how to test you. She's the one that does. Yeah. Can you, like, go away?
Nah.
Without warning.
Strike without warning!
Strike without warning, man.
Strike without warning! Nah. Strike without warning!
Okay, that's just weird.
Strike without warning! Ew.
Don't,
Ooh, a lemon!
don't touch my toes. I will grow you
Ooh, a
live.
lemon!
Get out. Don't touch my toes. Yeah.
Mm.
Bloody monkey.
Actually, I
Yeah, that's yours.
No, yours.
I don't do plushies. Unless it's big enough for me to lie on.
I'm falling down!
Oh well.
Oh, well, you're done.
Fall back down inside.
That's all I saw.
What?
That's all I saw because they're...
That's all I saw. Hey.
That's all I saw! I'm gonna go in the car.
No, you're not. You're gonna get inside.
Nah, get in the car.
Why?
Because we're going to Chipmunk Bar.
We're going to Chipmunks.
Yeah.
No, I can't. Dad's got no money. I'm broke. So go inside.
Alright, you go inside too because you have gumboot in the
Damn, I thought that would work. They're not sweaty, they just got grass on it because I mowed the lawns yesterday. Can you go away?
Oh, stop.
Umaga.
Umaga. Umaga.
Ah, leave the camera alone.
Umaga.
I'm putting the camera up.
Ah, you don't like that. Oh, you don't like that. Okay.
Wait, I
I
want to
don't
go
like you
chipmunks, bro. I hate chipmunks. Too much noisy kids, bro.
Ah, you're a noisy girl.
See, it's you, donkey.
Same as you, Shan-Shan.
What?
Shan-Shan. Or Shan-Shan.
Get off the bloody cord.
Get
God.
off the bloody cord.
Fuck yeah, babe.
Get off the bloody cord and take that cord out of there. Okay.
Don't touch it, man. You're gonna wreck my setup.
Don't, man. You're gonna rip my shit up.
Can you go inside?
Can you go inside? How you gonna ruin my shit up? Can you go inside?
You're an a-hole, man. You're an a-hole.
You are hey man. You are BB.
Everyone's here to watch me carve, not talk.
Everyone sees me to come not talk. Oh, okay, haha. Funny.
Okay, middle child syndrome.
Little child, Jim Tyler needs over there doing some question or whatever.
You can't even say syndrome, man.
Sendo.
Oh, barely.
Sendo. He's
I should have sent your ass to school.
I should have sent your ass to school. I need to get your ass to school or get your little ass to practice.
Practice, that's on the weekend. Duh.
I don't know what he's saying. Maybe I'm blind.
What?
I don't know what he's saying. I think I'm blind.
You don't even know what you're saying. Oh look, someone okay, thank you very much for the 10 manawas.
Thank you, Beauty, for that bio.
Oh, don't touch the mic. Oi, get out.
No.
Don't be afraid to No, I would never do that. This is how I discipline my kids. Hey, hey.
My daddy! That's what he tickled me!
Good. Oi, handshake.
Echo!
Handshake.
Echo!
So, miss. High five.
Okay.
On the side. Up high.
Let's put down.
Down low. Too slow.
Mom said you have to go back inside.
Get your ass inside.
Get your ass inside too! Get your ass inside too! Nah.
Go inside there.
Get your ass to you and you and you and me. You guys have to go inside and me. And what now? And you have to do your subscribers again, but you have to shut your mouth and I need to make it knock it.
You don't even know what you're saying.
We don't even know what he's saying, but I don't know what he's saying too. And we got 2 kids.
3 men.
Oh, no, 3 because we have a baby and 2 daughters. The oldest is on the middle child.
You're
Sister.
the middle child, bro.
Yeah, I'm the middle child because my dad is screaming and he don't know what he's saying. Can you see him? He's right over there.
That's the screen.
He's on the screen and so get your, and then we're done with it and get your, I don't know.
You haven't gone 1, 10, bomb, 20. Get inside. You're not
Hey,
happy.
you, because my mum said you had to get inside and kick your ass inside, or well, you'll be cold in the night time every day.
How would I kick my ass in? I don't sleep with a blanket at night time anyway because I get
Or
hot.
you will scream the whole day about you, but the night time and you will not have a, and you will sleep on the floor.
Go inside.
And you and you and you and me and me and me and you guys have to go inside all the night. Gonna kick your ass.
Hey, don't talk like that.
Funny.
No, that's not funny.
Okay, are we going? Bye. Nah. I'm streaming.
I'm streaming.
I'm streaming with him and you don't. Hello.
You know I could have had this side of the arm done by now.
You dumb.
You attend the Streamer Awards, brother? Nah, I can't, my bro. Obviously I have commitments to my kids. It's all good. It's all good.
I'm okay.
Honestly, I missed the stage. My baby turned 21. Oh, really? Ah, don't you pull the fingers. Bloody hell. Get inside. Nah, last straw. Off you go. Off you go. Off you go. Get your ass inside. Oh shit. Yeah, so you can tell who the middle child is, ain't you? How you doing, just chilling? What's up, brother? Yo, War Dog, OnlyFans, thank you very much for the 2 months, brother. She's funny, yeah, she's got a whole lot of life there, kid. One of her questions about life is, Dad, do giraffes get hungry fast? I was like, where's this coming from? And she's like, oh, you know, because they got long necks there and it takes a long time for it to get down to their stomach. I was like, okay, that kind of makes sense. She's funny like that, bro. But her bloody grandfather taught her how to pull the fingers. I just locked the back door from the outside. Yo man, what are you using? This is Ratama, bro. R-A-T-A is how you spell it. But she's the one that does the jujitsu, guys. She's always a laugh, that kid, man. But yeah, brother, nah, I won't be going to the Streamer Awards, my bro. It's I think it's on the 6th or the 7th for us, and my daughters, my big girl has an event on that day. So yeah, being a dad will always be number one prio for me, brother, as opposed to being Brooks. Always, my brother, always. I think my wife was getting annoyed at it though, because you know I'm out here trying to stream, but I didn't mind it one bit. She was funny. I can hear her trying to open the back door. And she's like, you don't have more subscribers than Mr. Beast. I'm like, of course I don't have more subscribers than Mr. Beast. I was like, it's Mr. Beast. Yo, what's up, E-Demo? You're a good father? I try to be, brother. I try to be. It's the hardest job in the world, my bro, but the best one, I'd say. That was a funny moment. Okay, we're getting there, Chad. Holy, I could have got finished with this bloody arm. I know you're probably not fussed about winning, but it would be cool if you do, bro. I saw Esmond's stream. Yeah, bro. Nah, you're spot on, brother. I don't really mind if I don't win, but say if I do, I hope, you know, with that win, it inspires, you know, others. I'm not really gonna gas myself up. Like, I don't really like doing that, to be honest. But genuinely, bro, I hope you know, say for example it does happen, I hope it inspires, you know, other streamers that, you know, you can get to those streamer awards if that's your goal. Just keep pushing, keep going, stay in your lane, do you. Don't worry about the noise, man, just worry about yourself. And you'll get there. It's what I've been doing anyway. I don't really bother about other people's dirty undies in terms of drama. With the same type of relationship with my daughter, bro. We roast each other on the daily, my bro. She gets me good sometimes, though. I'll say that much. It's like, ooh, I'll give you that one, you little shitucky. Yeah, she's got me good a couple of times, caught me off guard, but of hell, it's funny as. One growling I've given her is when she learned how to pull the fingers, she was doing it out the window through town. I'm like, fuck's sake. Your bloody grandfather. But she reminds me every day, you don't have more subscribers than Mr. Beast. I'm Ariza. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Yeah, right. Pulling the fingers out the window through town. I'm like, boy, all these cars looking at us, and I just saw it in my side view mirror. And boy, oh boy. Did Dad have something to say about that? Gave her that conqueror's haki look through the rearview mirror. Is there a story about your sleeve? Yeah. Oh, I'll share, my bro. Let me just get these last few corners out. You know, share. Okay. So, with my moko, I got this when I turned 30. And that was my reasonings for getting it as well. Turning 30, saying goodbye to one chapter in my life, my 20s, and moving into the next pretty much. Is it still choppy? So this is my arm here, all the way around. So I always start over here. So this is my grandfather and my grandmother here, these two, and my mum. So these three figures, or these three people in my life, are the ones who raised me to be who I am today. And at the back here, that's my wife. So that's my wife over here, my eldest daughter, the little firecracker that was just on the stream here, over here. And I'm going to get an extension for baby up the top here, because we have 3 kids now. And underneath, that's my sister. So the reason why my sister's underneath as well is because she passed away at a young age. And with our eyes that we use in this world, we can't see her anymore. Eh? So she's passed on, she's gone back to Te Po, or the night as we call it. And hence the reason why she's underneath on my arm too. So on my arm as well, you'll see a lot of these straight singular lines here. 1, 2, 3, and I think there's one more underneath. 4. So those lines represent the mountains where I'm from. In our culture, we do these things called pepeha, which are kind of like how we introduce ourselves. And it's normally with landmarks like our mountain, the name of our mountain, the name of our river, our tribe, sub-tribe, and the canoe we come from. So those are called pepeha. And those are kind of like how we would introduce ourselves. So within all the singular lines too, all these core whaiwhai designs you see, all these patterns is all the rivers that flow through my hometown as well. So as I mentioned, you know, mountains and rivers, all the landmarks. So on the top here, where's it? So you'll see that design there, that's called unonahi in carving, so it represents the sea and the fish scales there. For it to tie to myself, it can also represent ngā huru manu, which is bird feathers. And right here too is a mangopare. So a mangopare is a hammerhead shark, which is a kaitiaki or a protector in our culture as well, in our tribe, one of the tribes I come from. So even a lot of the animals within our culture have a significant meaning to us as well. Similar to the toroa. So the toroa is known as the albatross. And that was one of the birds that, you know, navigated and guided our people through the seas as they were navigating to get to Aotearoa. And so we move on to here, to my forearm. So as you can see, there's a bit of a popo in there. There's the head, arm, body, legs down here, and a face. Closer look. So this is the Whakairo side of my arm. Even turning around again. So we have the abalone seashell, or the eye. that goes into the carving. So that, as a whole, that's what I wanted it to represent. Where I'm from, my family, and what I do, what I've been doing all my life. This Maori, yeah, it says moko. Moko, my bro. So those are the things I wanted it to represent. I didn't have a set design. I just went to my cousin and said, this is what I wanted to represent. And to get a sleeve, and he said, alright, that's us. It took around 7 hours. The only reason it took so long is because we were talking so much shit. Better save space. Yeah, my bro. There's always my back. Always my back, my bro. But pretty much when I turn 35 next year, I'm gonna, I don't want any more kids. I ain't getting the snip. No one touches me down there but my hands when they scratch, and my wife if she ever wanted to. The majority of the time she don't. Yeah, so yeah, I won't be getting the snip because yeah. So whether or not we have a fourth, I don't know. We don't really plan these types of things. If it happens, it happens. If it don't, it don't. But where moko comes from, it actually comes from one of our atua, one of our gods, and that's Ruaumoko. Ruaumoko is the youngest of all the gods in our culture. He's the baby. Poro here and Gizzy must be my turn next. Fui. Yeah, I don't know when I'll get mine done, if I ever do. We'll see. I gotta have a reason. I mean, I do have a reason. There's 3 of them in there right now. But at the moment, I'm pretty, content. Pretty content with what I have. Let me just go get my phone, chat, so we got background music. My daughter goes, you locked the door. Puhoro mataora, probably puhoro, my bro. My puhoro. Mataora is still a bit of a thought for me right now. I know who I would go to get it, but yeah, it's not something I'm really rushing into. You are my spirit animal, bro. I'll be your megalodon, my bro. That's what I want to be reincarnated as, megalodon. So when global warming hits, my bro, I am him. King of the fucking sea. To the locker. What's the Christmas decor on your screen? Rocket's only November, or was it already December where you live? Ah, it's only the 26th. I just wanted to put it up just cause I only whip this this overlay out around this time of the year. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I've got to shoot a video after stream as well for something. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I made it clear, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Do 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 do. Yeah, Beyonce's thawing out, Michael Bublé, Mariah Carey, all of them. That one Ariana Grande song. She's gone skinny bones, eh? I saw Wicked on the news, like just them getting ready for the event, and I was like, holy shit. She looks very unrecognizable. Guns McSteely, thank you for the Optimus Prime for 2 months, my friend. Appreciate you, appreciate you. Okay, I might take this further because the spacing is playing up. Hate Christmas songs, they get a bit too much sometimes, eh bro? There's one band's album I can't wait for. Did you see Coteries' new album's out soon? I love Coterie, bro. They're so good. Gotta check out some of these jams, chat. I probably won't play some on stream right now today because we're live on YouTube and I don't want the VOD to get balked. Favorite Xmas song is Killing in the Name of... Yo, brother, how's it going? Hope you're well, my guy. Hey, what's up, Kerry? I'm doing good, brother. Doing good. We just out here getting some more work done, my bro. Started designing today. I'm gonna see how this design looks, to be honest. I've never done one like this.
Frozen Vampire Zero Cheer Dex.
So we will definitely see Frozen Vampires. Thank you very much, good sir. How are you doing? How are you doing, my friend? Kind of fucked up the spacing here. But I'll see if I can save it. And I think I just saved it, so I think we're good. Yeah, I think that's good. I think we're good. I think we're good. Oi! One moment. One moment. Thank you to Cat Chaotic for the 3 months in advance. Yo, thank you, Cat. What's up, Brock Grimes? Where's Carl? Thank you very much, Cat, for the 3 months in advance, and I appreciate you for dropping in as well. Kia ora, kia ora. Here we go. Let's do this forearm now. MC Farmer Spree. Yo, what's up, Jizzin Bird? Goddamn. Having a good day? Having a good day, my brother. Having a good day. Although my kids are home today. But yeah, genuinely, bro, I feel good. I don't know how long I'll be on today because I don't want my wife to watch all 3 kids for too long. Because she's in a bit of pain today too, just sick. Not like bad sick, but just sick. Just want to clarify there. But yeah, genuinely thank you to her for letting me stream too. While we mark out all these bits here. It's the first time I've done taratara akai like this, so this is a bit of a experimental going on right now. Bit of an experimental right now, Chatty Lala. What's up, man? Anonymous, how you doing? Hope she recovers soon. Yeah, she'll be good, brother. I'm gonna take the kids out for the day. Go for a walk. Gotta burn my little firecracker of a daughter's energy. Whose is that peepo emote, brother? Anonymous? After this too, chat, we gotta carve, what's that little bugger's name? Peepo. We're gonna be carving Peepo the frog, just to celebrate the nomination. And then we'll send it over to, I don't know if she I don't know if she's even got a PO box, eh? We'll send it over to Cutie as a thank you for being nominated. I know I don't have to, but it's for the pure fact that I want to. So we're going to carve something for Cutie as a thank you. And it'll most likely be that little bugger there. What's his name? Peepo the Frog. Love the clips I've seen of yours from the Stream Awards. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I requested to change mine because it was a Battlefield one. No, like, I think it would be better if we put it, submitted a carving one. So yeah, we put that down and hopefully it got accepted. I haven't really checked it since. I just done my votes and kind of left it there. And come back to do this, get some more work done. But yeah, that's the plan, finally. We're going to do this. And then we'll carve Peepo. Yeah. Just for Jordan, my lata, my bro. I know they didn't win yesterday, unfortunately. Jordan, my lata is the reason why I like the Eagles. People keep saying I look like Jordan Mailata, but I can't see it, eh? Genuinely. I cannot see it. I believe she still does have a PO box. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I'll go through and once I finish the carving, I think, you know, I'll try and find the details and send it through. But I won't say it's from me. I'll just say thank you. Some people might know it's me because I always put kia ora in my letters. Call me old fashioned chat, but I still do letters with the carvings I send out. Yo, Master, thank you for the 500 kickerinos, bro. Fuck. Only if you're sure, my brother. Jeez, that's a lot, my bro. Always fresh to do a new design, sure. Yeah, bro, yeah. Trying something new, but, you know, staying... Hopefully, you know, I like the look of it. Pretty much. I just have to be very strategic about where I put all the notches on this, because I've never done it square. Normally it's, you know, there's a lot of curvilinear designs within it. A curvilinear flow. On Cherry Lala. Yo, Presticles, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. I appreciate you, man. Jordan seems like a very genuine guy, and man, can he sing? Wood carving, Eagles fan, and a WoW player. My 3 favorite things. Oh, bro, he is. Yeah, I saw him on what is it? The Masked Singer. Eh? How good, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, I've just started getting back into hardcore again, bro. It's so good. And my flatmates, my old flatmates I used to live with, asked if I wanted to jam BC again. I was like, yeah, sure, why not? But Ally this time. So I went, yeah, all good. Try and find my groove again on Classic, just in case I get invited back to OnlyFans for the next season. Ah, thank you, Master. Straight up, brother. Yeah, we'll see. I think I might start adding the notches to this side now, eh? We'll see what it looks like. So purely experimental, guys. Just capture some footage. While I'm designing this. Yeah, I'm doing the same, hoping their warriors survive so I can carry them through TBC. They better let you in OnlyFans. Oh, bro, I had a lot of fun in OnlyFans, earlier in the year. I still have my character, he's like 42 right now. And, oh man, if like I have to start from level 1 in order to try and get to BC, bro, that is going to be a big challenge for me. But yeah, genuinely, bro, I had a lot of fun, bro. It was so good. Alright, here we go. So we will start here. Just taking our time, chat. Adding our notches in. One moment. It's taking our time because I have not done anything quite like this before in terms of flow. And remember, we have enough timber here, if I don't like it, to cut it off and do something else. But if I like the general look of it, then we'll stick with it. Fleshmitty, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Thank you, brother. Woo-hoo. Here we go. Love what you do, man. Keep it up. Hey, appreciate you, my G. I'll do my best, my bro. We're just, yeah, trying something new. And, seeing... Go inside. No, thank you. I'm alright. There was their little firecracker of a child of mine.
Yeah, do you not want it?
Oh,
Did you even have to?
no. There we go. So we go there. The rain's starting to set in, chat. Yeah, so I'm just getting little snippets here and there while we chip away at it too, chat. And the rain is on the way again. Hopefully we don't get a tornado like the other day. Yeah, we had a bit of a bloody tornado forming in Rotorua the other day, but obviously it's too hard for it to form because we're in like we're not in a flat place. It's not flat enough for it to form. Okay, the Yush! Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Thank you. How often do you have to sharpen your chisels? Like once every few months, depending on the kind of timber that we work with, will kind of determine whether I need to touch them up or not. At this current moment, my tools do need some love. They do need some love, my brother. And love they shall have. So once we finish the designing for this, brother, we're going to have a bit of a maintenance stream. Bit of a maintenance day. Touch up the blades. And they should be good. How's it going? Very good, my brother. Very good. Hump day today. Hump day today, my brother. Wednesday. Halfway through the week. So what we're doing is just opening these up a bit more in order for us to get them out easier. So we can get more emphasis on the center line or the center ridge. Because that's what we want to get done. Thank you for the 1 biddy, my brother. What? It's Tuesday. It's Wednesday for us, my friend, here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. We are in the future.
King Seljuk cheered
Don't expect much, my bro, other than, yeah, nothing's changed. But it still costs $17 a block here. Can you tell me the lotto numbers in the future land? Oh, we're not even, we haven't even got us a lotto. We don't really dabble in lotto unless it's worth trying. But yeah, shout out to those 3 people that won the lotto, man. God damn, how life-changing that would have been, eh? So good. It's getting a bit cold. Most lotto winners don't know what to do with any of it. I knew someone in Te Kuitu who bought a few houses, then ran out of funds to renovate and lost big time. Yeah, bro, you gotta be kind of. I feel like you can't really afford to be splashing it as soon as you get it, eh? Gotta be smart with it. Invest. Like if that was me, bro, I'd probably just buy me and my family a house, and then maybe a investment property, and then give some money to like my in-laws, my mother and father-in-law, and then my mum, and that's about it. And then I just continue to carve. That's probably what I would do. Someone's in trouble. It doesn't look too bad, eh? Spend all my lottery winnings, but I think it would. Okay. Okay, that's that. Now, I don't mind it, eh? I don't mind it. What do you reckon? So this is kind of the design as a whole. I don't mind it at all. Simple, it's within the whole thing as well. I might just run it for now. Hey, what's up, Nomadic Limb? I am doing good, my brother. You have any streams you'd recommend that are as chill as yours? Geez, who else do I watch? Closure Club? Closure Club is someone else I enjoy watching. He's a musician. He's got some bangers. Definitely go through and check out the bro Closure Club. Who else? Who else is a chill streamer? C Not Bush. CNOTBUSCH. The bro Grumbly as well. He's a local. Grumbly is another one. If you want something extremely chill, check out Turtles and Chill as well. They're another one. Who else? I'm trying to think of some others here. They'll give me time to think. There are so many, eh? There are so many. Sometimes Texas Hula is another one. He's a wood turner. So he does wood turning. Definitely check him out if you can. Brother Texas Hula. Is there anyone else I'm thinking of that I may have missed? Texas Hula. My boy Moose Taffy as well. Moose Taffy is pretty chill. That's my guy right there. Moose Taffy. Oh, bro, there's so many, bro. There are so many. Man, I hate traveling around when it's raining with the kids. Definitely go for and check them out. I'll buy a house and invest the rest because there's always be a pull out later to give it to my whānau. Yeah, bro. That's that. So I'm just looking at the overall design of it, eh? Just visualizing right now, chat. Wondering if it needs anything a bit extra. I think it should be fine. Okay. Yeah, I think it should be fine like that. Alright, orange break. Orange break. Delivered by the noisy child, as you may have heard. So they bought me an orange half. Hope you have all been enjoying the stream today, chat. We've started our designing process. It's just different. I haven't done a design like this before, or like a somewhat contemporary swing to it. Like normally with Taratara Akai and the lines, there's normally a break there in terms of the design. And I'm wondering, because I didn't put one in, I'm wondering if I should add it in another form. But then again, looks all good. Okay, I think I'm good with it. So hearty looking tree, home tree? Nah, I don't even know. My kid just bought it out. How you, my bro? Alright. Okay. Chilling as best as possible. You're good, brother? Just working on this form right now, chat. Dang it. What you been jamming lately, Yuffie? You been jamming anything at all, brother? So I'll be with you soon. I just thought about that. Yeah, I'm good. Just working on something. Oh, yeah. No, I feel there, brother. Have you played Dispatcher? No, I haven't yet, my bro, but I do have it. I'm trying to find a day where I can stream the whole thing, or I might just go episode by episode on a night stream, maybe. Just so I can upload them to my other YouTube channel. But yeah, I've stayed away from all Dispatch playthroughs just so it doesn't, you know, affect the decision making for mine. But we shall see, my friend. We shall see. Sorry I'm a bit locked in at the moment, Chip. It's kind of a nice design. Just a nice change up, I'd say. Just a nice change up from what I normally do. So I'm kind of here for it. And drifting for mental therapy on Kayak Drift. Man, I haven't played that one in a while. It's been a while, eh? It's been a while, brother. I'm still wondering if I want to put notches along here, eh? But you know, I kind of want to be wary of the ridge too. Fuck, I might just do it, eh? Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna just do it. Here we go. Found you through an Instagram reel I saw about you and loved your craft. Thank you, brother. Welcome on through to my bro. This is what I do, brother. Whakairo. Traditional Maori wood carving, my bro. I've been doing this since I was 12. Years old, my brother, and well, I am 34 now, and here we are. Here we are, my friend. Alright, let me just do this chat and then we'll carry on, eh? Yeah, that's better. Gives it a bit more, eh? So it doesn't look so empty. Where have I seen those emotes before, Bis? It's a panda kind of thing, eh? Where have I seen that emote before? Oh, I remember her, that name, Admiral Baru. Yeah, I remember seeing that name before. I thought that panda looked familiar. Alright. There we go. The dingo ate my baby. There he is. The undercover Australian all the way from America. How are you, dingo? Good to see you, my brother. Good to see you there, legend. How you been? We are finally designing. Got a bit of designing underway. Yeah, I like it, eh? It's growing on me. I just keep looking at it, so yeah, I do apologize for stopping and just randomly doing nothing. Just looking at the design as a whole. Chilling in and vibing, no complaints on life. Oh, W, my friend. How you been, bro? Yeah, good, my bro. Had a busy day yesterday. It was a bit of one of my daughters had an event, so had to kind of put the brakes on the stream yesterday. Just going to be a dad. My number one prior in life. And yeah, didn't stream at all yesterday. And now we are back today, my brother. Oh yeah, all is well here too, my bro. Just priming for Christmas now, bro. It's always a busy time of the year for me. This time, hence the reason why I don't really take commissions around this time too. Then all of a sudden they want to start showing up out of bloody nowhere. But I'm pretty much after stream. I've got to shoot a bit of a video as well. Got to shoot a bit of a video for something. Oh, I hear daughter getting growling. Naughty, naughty. It's probably the little firecracker too. Prepping shit for Thanksgiving and Xmas. Yeah, I just heard you have like a thing before Christmas Eve, Thanksgiving. Is this Celtic knock? So not really, brother. So I'm doing a design called Taratara Akai, just in a different way. So normally with Taratara Akai, it's quite. So there's a lot of curvilinear to it. Just doing it in a different way, just for fun, just to see what it looks like. It's giving Ilawi vibes from League of Legends, I must say. Yeah, she's giving Ilawi vibes to me. This particular flow, I guess. Yeah, I've never actually used the design in this way before, so it's all new for me too. Kai, my bro. But yeah, pretty much. Right, we can make it on this side. Te arawa e ara. Hey, Sins, how you doing, man? Hello, hello, hello. That's the forearm. Forearm down. So what we need to do with the forearm now, obviously, is pop them notches. So that's all we have to do now. Get those out. So they can pop some more. How are you? I am doing pretty good today. Had a pretty busy day today. Yesterday. Had to go and be a dad yesterday, and it was good. It was good. All right, let me just smash these notches out, eh? I don't wanna whine tonight. I just wanna live with the gang all night. Did you complete the one you showed previously? Did I complete the one I showed previously? Like the tiki? Pretty straightforward design, eh? This is it. We're designing it now, my bro. So we're only designing one side of the square side of the arm. So we just finished the arm as a whole on one side, and then we go down to the leg and do the same as well. So that's currently what we're up to right now. Just trying to get this all solidified, my bro, and it should be good. Hold on, Jake. Just gotta remember I've gotta record a video after stream today. And I must not forget to do it because I gotta send it in today. Always some last minute stuff within the year gotta get us to do, chat, always. But you know, obviously I'll do it. Get that done and then yeah, it should be good. Move it in properly. Oi! Sorry, Chad. I've been getting real find the border hard on this, eh? If you don't know the reference, Chad, there's a point in Surf's Up where Big Z's carving a surfboard. And he goes, "You're just trying to find the board." And Bruz gets lost in the worker and he's not talking for hours. While the MC's kind of watching him just chip away at the timber. He's teaching the main character how to carve a surfboard. And that kind of happens to me all the time. Tenchi, this is Rata, my brother. R-A-T-A is how you spell it. Been silently here for a bit and truly enjoy the watch. Do you like the way your new technique has been looking? And the way it's fitting, brother? Yeah, I like it. I like it, my bro. I won't be surprised. I think, you know, other carvers have done this flow. But in terms of myself, I'm vibing with it. That's why I've been stopping just to look at it for a bit. Just to kind of like take it in and watch it from that. Just kind of like see it from that perspective. But yeah, I think it looks nice. I think it looks all good. But yeah, I've been doing that a lot lately, just carving, and man gets lost in the moment and forgets, oh shit, that's right, I have a chat to talk to. So yeah, just wanna apologise in advance, chat. Just apologise in advance if I do that to you guys. Gotta be wary of the timber as well. Of all these angles that we're on. Because I'm feeling a slight bit of resistance too. So I just want to be super careful. Ooh. Yo, what up, Social Club? Hey, brother. Just found you on the Facebook. Happy I caught you. Cinnamon Roll still streaming. Hello from Chicago. Hey, what's up, brother? Yo, what's the time in Chicago, my bro? Yo, Bo! Thank you for the $5 dono on YouTube, my brother. Appreciate you, Big Bo. And hello to Social Club as well, getting ready for the holidays. Oh, we will not be having a holiday myself, my brother. I mean, the kids will be, but not so much for me, my bro. We got streams to do, my bro, and progress to make. Following you for a decent while now, and you've been recently become easily one of my favorite streamers. The peace you bring is unmatched in the world. It's crazy. Keep doing you. Hey, cheers, Gravity Season. As long as you enjoy it here, my brother, this is your place, my bro. Like I always say, I know I always say this, but I say this which comes from a genuine place. I hope that this stream can be your own cheeky corner of the internet where you can relax, you know, chill out. And I know this is your safe place too, if you ever want to speak up. If anyone's ever fighting those silent battles on their own, just know you can speak up here, okay? Not saying that anyone might be going through it as of right now, but if you are, don't be afraid to speak up here, most of all. I'm not Dr. Phil, I'm just someone that cares, that's all. And that'll always be something here. There'll always be a thing here, okay? Always. The year is almost over. So let's get to the end of the year and progress into the next together. Okay? What team? Wildcats. My daughters are going through their high school musical phase again, and I'm like, oh, not this again. What team? What team? Wildcats. Keep your head in the game. You gotta get your head in the game. You gotta get your head in the game. Don't diss the high school musical phase. Oh, brother, I never had one myself. Catch me on them Beetleborgs vibes, bro. Captain Planet, Power Rangers. SWAT Cats. That was my vibe. Gargoyles, Ninja Turtles. Hello there. How are you, Big Myth? What doing, brother? What doing? Hey, what's up, doggo? Everyone's day or night is going good. Yeah, my day's going good, brother. My day's going good. I'm just happy with the progress we're making right now too, my bro. Chosen class in the last show he does with school was High School Musical, and I cannot stand it when kids come alive on stage. Yeah, bro. Like, it's a different setting when people are on stage, eh? Like, same for my daughter last night, they had a kapahaka. Just like, whole different world, eh? Whole different world. And that's always been my number one thing for me, for my kids, as long as, you know, they thrive within their culture. Oh, I'm happy. And yeah, my big girl, man, she definitely loves kapahaka. Lives and breathes it, eh? And it's cool that she's setting a good example for her little sister who's about to start school next year. So she just turned 5 in November, but we didn't want to start her till the new year since the Schooling year is almost over. No point. No point trying to transition her into school when it's almost over. Go. Boom. Bro, she's excited to go to school next year, bro. She's raring to go. Raring to go. Who do you think will win out of Jake the Muss or Smiley from training day? Oh, I don't know. Hope you have a blessed day, bro, brother master. You have a good day too, my brother. And thanks for holding it down on kick too, my bro. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. Have a good day. And I will see you around, my bro. Alrighty. Let's get these corners cut out. Alright. Let's take that out of the vase. There it is. There we go, chat. So you can see, like, even with the light too, especially with the depth of the design, light helps quite a bit as well. So I always got told, hey, make sure, you know, there's a considerable amount of depth, so the light plays a part in the design too. I was like, oh yeah, all good. But yeah, so with Taratara Ako, which is the design you saw us do today, it's not normally like that. Normally it's more of a curvilinear design, eh? So it's done more with curves and whatnot, and spirals. Or that's kind of like all our designs. The square one that you see now is just something different to attempt, well, to try, really. But yeah, that's him, whānau. Yeah, it looks pretty solid, eh? We'll probably finish this side tomorrow. Yeah, we're definitely finishing this side tomorrow, so we'll finish that. And then just add the little design on this side too, and on the inner forearm. So that's kind of all we have to do on these two things, or these two sections, and then we move to the leg, finish that off, do all the designs there, just do all of that up, do the design on the inside of the leg again. I'm still in, maybe not for here. I might mix it up a little and do something else. But that's the plan for that, okay? Just around this general area that we're planning on doing. So we'll most likely do that. Yeah, we'll do that. And then we'll do something else after this too. Kia ora, Straw Joe. Learning more Tongan history, like my people. was protected by Hikuleo. Hikuleo, I've heard that name before too. Okay. Hello chat room. Well, that is going to be us for today. I've got to shoot this video for something real quick. And then kind of move on from there and go and help my wife out with the kids. So for now, that is going to be us for today. I hope you all enjoyed this stream. Thank you very much for the aroha today. Okay, that's going to be me. 9.50. True, yeah, someone redeemed their bill last week. And I told them we'll get to that maybe in the new year. Like with this end of the year, it's a bit hard to get anything done really. Because my time schedule's all over the place. But I will see how we go. I'm going to send you over to my bro Chody. So for now, whānau, have a good day. Yeah, I've got to do this video now. Get this video recorded and sent away. And I will see you all, if not this evening, tomorrow. Okay? Thank you very much for all the subs today, all the aroha. Thank you for all the follows, the raids. And also all the aroha on YouTube and Kick too. I will see you all once again, if not tonight, tomorrow. Okay? Peace out. Have a good day. And I need to record this video. Che. Ka kite. Bye guys. Have a good day.